Hi everyone, Hannah here. I hope that y'all are doing well today. So it's that time to do a vlog. I wanted to go ahead and do basically what I usually do, where we do a takeaway from the previous month and then go into detail of what we're going to do for the next month. So for the month of September, basically the takeaway is there were a couple of times that the orders got delayed because with all this COVID stuff over the last several months, help has come and gone. It's been hard to kind of keep someone steady. The good news is that we do have some new help, and we have been doing some training, and things are going really well, and we are getting the orders out pretty quickly. So that is really a great thing. Y'all have been so patient and so kind through all of this, and I really, really appreciate it. I do really want to get y'all's orders out on a quicker basis for sure. So basically what we're looking at right now, and because this is the first of the month with a lot of orders to come out, to get out in the mail, we are looking at about a 5-day turnaround time, and that will get, the turnaround time will get less as we get into probably by the end of this coming week. Just because there are so many orders for the first couple of weeks of the month, and it really does take a pretty good bit of concentration and really staying focused to get those orders out in the mail, trying to keep on top of everything. And so we are doing really good, a lot better than what I was thinking it might be going into the new month. I definitely did have some concerns on that, but we are doing really good, and I'm really, really happy about that. So some things, kind of wrote some notes so I wouldn't forget anything. So I'm one of those people that'll go to the store, and if I have no list, I probably won't get anything that I need to get. And even sometimes if I write a list, I still lose it. But everything's on this planner here. So as you probably already know, the October boxes are live. They are on the website, danagirlsdesigns.com. You can use the Grand20 coupon code, and that will give you 20% off of your first box. And so that really does help. At least if you're trying to decide maybe on what kind of subscription box you want to do, that 20% off, it really does help save some on, the cost of the box, or a little bit on the shipping. And then also what we are doing, because I have been doing this since April of last year, that is when we actually started doing the subscription box business. Before that, it was kits. I would put together kits and list those and sell those, as well as scrapbooking and mixed media items. So we've been doing the subscription box business since April, and some of you have been with me for a year now. So I'm just going back in the notes to see when you first signed up, and I am sending out a little gift to say thank you, because I really do appreciate you hanging in there with me. There were times when I did not really know what I was doing, and it was kind of hard at times. And so I really do appreciate you just sticking it out with me. It really does mean a lot. And to show that I value you as a customer and appreciate you, I just want to send, a gift out to you, just, to say thanks for your business over the past year, and it really does mean a lot to me. Another thing that I would like to do, and I'm putting it together right now, and I'll shoot a picture up on social media, or I'll be coming back on and doing a video. I would like if you could, if you had some time and could leave a review of how much you like your box. You can do it on danagirlsdesigns.com, or if you did purchase it on Cratejoy, you could go onto cratejoy.com and leave the review. Basically, by leaving the review, when there is activity on the website, whether that's a new order or a review, it gets me up higher in the search engine. And so being up higher in the search engine, that helps me to have greater chances to sell more boxes. It also helps other people that have questions about the subscription box, that it helps them to kind of make the decision to go ahead and buy one, because maybe they've never done it before and they don't really know. So hearing something from you really helps them to make that decision. And so for doing that, whenever you leave the review, I'll get an email that shows that you've done that, and I will send out a gift to you, just to say thank you. So like I said, I'll be putting that together, and I'll have that come back on here and show y'all what that gift is. And then also another thing that we did in September, there was one weekend where we opened the Etsy store, and we had a sale. It was September 11th. We had a weekend sale that ran until Tuesday of the following week, and 20% of the sales we donated to USA Cares. And it's a good foundation that really helps those that maybe were injured during 9/11 or affected from that, and so it really does help. And so we were able to give $75 to USA Cares, and I just wanted to say thank you for your help in contributing to that, because I think that that's a good cause, and if we could do something to help others, that would be a really great thing to do. I think if the world could focus more on helping each other, that it really would be a better place to live in. As you may know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I thought that we could do the same thing, where we'll take one weekend out of the month and donate 20% of the sales we would donate it to the Breast Cancer Awareness Association. I have known several people that have had breast cancer, people that in my family, and that they have really helped them out. So I think that that would be a great thing that we could do, a good cause that we could give to. And I'll be letting y'all know when that will be. I'll kind of look at some dates and see. Right now the Etsy store is on vacation, because I just wanted to make sure going into the new month that I want to focus on the boxes. I don't want to take away from any of that or delay y'all's orders even more because of having the Etsy store open. So I really wanted to focus on this and get the bulk of the orders out. And so after I've done that, then we'll open the Etsy store up, and I'll try to give you at least a week notice to let you know when we're going to be doing that. And then another thing that I wanted to do, it's been a little while since we have done a giveaway. We did one, I know we did one in April, and maybe that was the last time we did one. I don't know, things have been going by so fast, with everything that's going on right now. But it was a deal where you posted a picture of your project that you made with the subscription box, and you got entered into a drawing. So I thought that that would be really fun to do, and it would, really help me out to see what y'all are making, and just kind of working together as a community, seeing what each other's doing and helping out each other. So what we will do, I have some different items that I've got put together for the giveaway. So I will be taking a picture of that and either putting that on social media, or I'll, come back on here and do a video showing that. But basically, it's going to run for the whole month of October, and that, and it's for everybody, not just domestic, but also international. For and to help, I guess, make it be better for the international, because the mail is slow. We'll go ahead and do where y'all can post a picture of whether it's the August or the September or the October box of what you've made. Preferably, I would like the picture posted in the Facebook group, or if you don't have a Facebook page, I know some don't, you could post it on Instagram and just tag me in it. If you're posting on Instagram, just tag me in it so I know, that you've posted something and I can enter your name in the drawing. So basically, what we'll do, you can post a picture of August, September, or October box, what you made with it, whether it's a junk journal, scrapbook, card, mixed media project, whatever it is. And it, it don't have to be the set project for the month. It can just be whatever you made with it. And so if you could just post a picture of that, and then that'll get your name in the drawing, and I will be coming back up on here to show what that drawing will be. So, just something fun to do. I do like to do that, and I enjoyed it when we did it in April, and so I think it would be really fun to do for October. So if y'all have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. And again, I just wanted to say thank y'all for everything, for your business, for your support. I really do appreciate it. And I will be coming back on here soon to show y'all, the gifts for leaving a review, and then also for the giveaway. Thank you so much. Bye.